Hello and welcome to Aina Today with Minadim. Shun arrogance, serve people, Mohan Bhagwat. RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, in first public remarks after the outcome of the election in which the BJP fell short of a majority, said Sevaks must shun arrogance, serve people without causing hurt to anyone. Expressing concern on Manipur, Bhagwat said that the northeastern state has been awaiting peace for a year and that is the due to prioritize it and take note of it. Bhagwat's remarks comes at a time when it seems all is not well between the Sangh and the BJP. The RSS chief also mentioned the violation of the code of conduct by various political parties during the Lok Sabha polls. There is dignity in contesting elections. That dignity was not maintained. There is decorum even in contesting elections. That decorum was not followed, he said. Bhagwat underlined the need to follow decorum to overcome the challenges before our country. Reading between the lines, the RSS boss took a dig at all political parties, not even sparing the BJP. His Shang Ahankar arrogance statement has caught the attention of everyone. Is he signaling the BJP leadership? Surprisingly, he emphasized on consensus building and respect for the opposition.
उसके लिए स्पर्धा चलती है। ये स्पर्धा है, कोई आपस का युद्ध तो है नहीं। जिस प्रकार ये बातें हुई, जिस प्रकार एक दूसरे को लताड़ना हुआ, जिस प्रकार प्रचार के दौरान हमारे करने से समाज में मनमुटाव बढ़ेगा, दो गठ बटेंगे, आपस में शंका संशय उत्पन्न होगा, इसका भी ख्याल नहीं रखा गया और विनाकारण संघ जैसे संगठनों को भी उसमें खींचा गया।
A few hints to the BJP leadership from the RSS boss. Hope they will take it seriously. Actions should speak louder than words. Thank you for watching Aina Today.